Iceland, the land of fire and ice, is a country where glaciers meet volcanoes, and where the natural world feels almost otherworldly. This small island in the North Atlantic has become one of the most fascinating destinations on Earth, offering travelers breathtaking landscapes, dramatic contrasts, and unforgettable adventures. Let's journey together across Iceland's most incredible places.
Our journey begins in Reykjavik, the world's northernmost capital. The colorful houses, lively cafes, and the stunning Hallgrímskirkja church give the city a unique charm. The Harpa Concert Hall reflects Iceland's creative spirit, while street art and cultural events showcase its modern personality. Reykjavik is a vibrant gateway into Iceland's blend of tradition and innovation.
Just outside the capital lies the Blue Lagoon, one of Iceland's most famous attractions. Its milky blue geothermal waters are rich in minerals and surrounded by black lava fields, creating a surreal setting. Visitors come here not only to relax in the steaming pools, but also to experience Iceland's unique relationship with volcanic energy and natural wellness.
Heading into the Golden Circle, our first stop is Þingvellir National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This is where the ancient Icelandic parliament was founded, making it a place of deep history. It's also where the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates slowly drift apart, creating dramatic fissures and landscapes that remind us of Earth's restless forces. Love discovering places like this? Subscribe to DSV Travel Trip for more amazing adventures around the world.
The second highlight of the Golden Circle is the geothermal area of Geysir. While the original Great Geyser is mostly dormant, nearby Strákur erupts every few minutes, shooting boiling water high into the air. The smell of sulfur, steaming vents, and bubbling mud pots all create an unforgettable experience that showcases the raw power beneath Iceland's surface.
The third jewel of the Golden Circle is Gullfoss, the Golden Waterfall. Here, glacial water plunges in two dramatic stages into a deep canyon, producing mist and rainbows on sunny days. The sheer volume and force of the water are awe-inspiring, and Gullfoss remains one of Iceland's most photographed and admired natural wonders.
Along Iceland's southern coast, waterfalls dominate the landscape. Seljalandsfoss is unique because you can walk behind its curtain of water, a rare and magical perspective. Nearby, Skógafoss thunders down a sheer cliff, often framed by vibrant rainbows. These waterfalls capture Iceland's beauty and power, each offering unforgettable scenes straight from a fantasy world.
Close to the village of Vik, Reynisfjara is one of the world's most dramatic beaches. Its black volcanic sands, towering basalt columns, and roaring Atlantic waves create a hauntingly beautiful setting. Legend says the offshore sea stacks are trolls turned to stone. Reynisfjara perfectly represents Iceland's mix of myth and nature's raw, untamed energy.
In the southeast, Vatnajökull National Park protects Europe's largest glacier. Vast ice fields, volcanoes, and glacial rivers dominate the landscape. In winter, explorers can enter ice caves glowing in shades of blue, while in summer, the glacier-fed rivers carve breathtaking valleys. Vatnajökull is the heart of Iceland's wilderness, reminding us of nature's grandeur and fragility.
At the edge of Vatnajökull, Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon sparkles with floating icebergs that drift slowly toward the ocean. Just across the road lies Diamond Beach, where these ice chunks wash ashore, glistening like jewels on the black sand. The contrast of crystal blue ice against volcanic darkness is one of Iceland's most striking and photogenic sights.
Traveling north, we reach Akureyri, Iceland's second largest city. Nestled by a fjord, it offers charm, botanical gardens, and access to some of the country's most dramatic northern landscapes. From here, visitors explore stunning waterfalls like Gullfoss, known as the Waterfall of the Gods, and the volcanic landscapes around Lake Mývatn, filled with craters, steam vents, and lava formations.
Lake Mývatn is surrounded by volcanic wonders. The Vera geothermal area bubbles with steaming mud pots and sulfur vents, creating a Mars-like landscape. Nearby lava formations at Dimmuborgir appear like black castles, inspiring Icelandic folklore. The region blends geological drama with birdlife and serene lake views, making it one of the country's most diverse and fascinating areas.
Remote and less visited, the Westfjords are Iceland's hidden treasure. Towering cliffs, deep fjords, and waterfalls like Dinjandi define the landscape. This region is also home to puffins, Arctic foxes, and endless summer days. The Westfjords showcase Iceland at its wildest, where nature dominates and human presence feels small against the vast, rugged beauty.
Called Iceland in miniature, the Snæfellsnes Peninsula offers everything in one place: volcanic craters, glaciers, black and golden beaches, fishing villages, and the iconic Kirkjufell mountain. Snæfellsjökull Glacier inspired Jules Verne's journey to the center of the earth, adding a sense of mystery. This region embodies Iceland's contrasts, combining dramatic landscapes with cultural and literary heritage.
In Iceland's highlands lies Landmannalaugar, famous for its colorful rhyolite mountains. Shades of red, yellow, green, and blue make the landscape look painted. Hot springs invite tired hikers to relax after exploring endless trails. Remote and wild, Landmannalaugar captures the adventurous spirit of Iceland, offering views and experiences found nowhere else on the planet.
Iceland is constantly shaped by volcanic forces. Recent eruptions, like those near Fagradalsfjall, have allowed visitors to witness lava flowing across the land. These events remind us that Iceland is still forming, a living geological laboratory. Standing near fresh lava fields is a humbling experience, showing how nature can both destroy and create landscapes in moments.
During the long winter nights, Iceland's skies come alive with the Aurora Borealis. Green, pink, and purple lights dance above glaciers and mountains, creating one of Earth's most magical spectacles. Witnessing the northern lights in Iceland feels like stepping into a dream, a reminder of the planet's beauty and the mysteries of the cosmos.
In summer, the opposite phenomenon occurs. The midnight sun bathes Iceland in endless daylight, creating surreal moments where the sun barely dips below the horizon. This golden glow enhances every landscape, from waterfalls to mountains, giving travelers the chance to explore nature at any hour. The light itself becomes part of Iceland's magic.
Iceland's wildlife is as captivating as its landscapes. Whales breach offshore, puffins nest on cliffs, and Icelandic horses with their unique gait charm every visitor. Culture thrives too, through Viking sagas, folklore, and modern literature. Music, art, and traditions rooted in resilience define Iceland's people, who live in harmony with their extraordinary environment. Iceland is more than a destination, it's an experience of contrasts and wonders. From fiery volcanoes to icy glaciers, from roaring waterfalls to silent lava fields, it is a land where nature dominates every story. Whether seeking adventure, peace, or inspiration, Iceland leaves every traveler changed. Truly, the land of fire and ice is unforgettable.